Hello everybody and welcome. So today I was trying to solve the multi-language and the multi-locale support per Siteaccess in EasyPublish 5. So I came to this file here. So it's a settings file. It's parameters.yml. In EasyPublish Legacy to specify the language and the locale of one Siteaccess, it was straightforward. You need just to add some settings, and that is it. You could start to translate your content objects and use translations files. But in EasyPublish 5, it's not that straightforward. So we have just this parameter here, locale fallback, and that is it. You cannot do a lot of stuff with just this parameter here. So I have searched share.easy.no, and I have found one tutorial here to add the multi-language support to EasyPublish 5. It does work pretty well for content objects, but if you want to translate strings in your templates using twig, you will have pretty much a lot of problems, because this does not solve the locale problem in EasyPublish 5. So I tried to follow the same idea of this tutorial here. So I have created some files, and I have found one quick solution for the locale problem, and I have here in my twig.yml file, I have added the Siteaccess language and the Siteaccess locale here. So if I specify the Siteaccess language using that same tutorial here, I can pretty much translate the content objects in my twig templates here. So if I translate this article here and change my Siteaccess to use the another language, it will be translated here. But the twig template strings will not be translated. So I have created also one setting here called locale, and basically if I change these settings, I'm able to translate the twig template strings. How can we do this? So I have create the one locale listener. I'll show you this file here. Don't worry, I will put this some links to all the files that I'm using this tutorial in the video description. So this locale listener is a class, an event listener class that listens to the on-kernel request event, and it's called before the register. It's registered before the default locale listener, so we can change our request locale. And I need just to fix this because I'm not using that variable. So it's called before the locale listener, and it changes the request locale according to the settings we have here. And that is it pretty much. Now you are able to use twig translations. So I have created this translation file here, and I put in my translations folder here. So I have this messages.pt.xlf file, and I have some translations in this file. And if I want to use the translations in that file, in my template, my twig template, I just use like this. So it's a twig template code. We pass a string to the trans function. So it's just the string, pipe, and trans. And then if I change my locale here for the Siteaccess to ptbr, then I can just let me go back here. PHP is the publish. I need to clear the cache and clear the cache here. Then if I refresh this page, those two strings here, login and register, will be translated into Portuguese. So I'm going to refresh, and yeah, now it's translated to Portuguese, and that is it. Now I'm able to translate strings in our twig templates. And also, using this tutorial here, we can also translate the content objects. So we have now full support for multi-language and multi-locale website. And that is it. I will put all the codes in the video description, actually the links to the files in the video description. And hope you enjoy. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.